Hello guys, for today's episode, join us as we explore a beautiful and fast becoming favorite spot in Southern Negros, 4 Lanes in Isabela, Negros Occidental.
Welcome to 4 Lanes in Isabela.
Amo ini ang itsura sang dalanon sang 4 Lanes Isabela kung nagasilak pa ang adlaw. Kag amo naman ini ang itsura niya kung nagtunod na ang adlaw o sa kagabiho na. After spending the whole day having fun and bonding at Kaduhada Spring Resort as a treat for our hardworking student interns, syempre they deserve it naman kasi masisipag at maasahan. So we decided to make one last stop before heading home. A perfect way to end our day. To the place known as the Sweetheart of Negros, Isabela, specifically at 4 Lanes in Isabela. As you can see, the place is wide and peaceful, with the mountain views serving as a beautiful natural backdrop. We arrived at around 5:30 in the afternoon, just in time for golden hour. Perfect for photos and unwinding. O, basta ga picture gani, wala gina sang gatingog ya. O linong-linong gina ya. Next pose. Okay, tapos ang pose, i-QA anay ang picture. O, lantaw na nay ha, kung nami ang kwa. Next pose. Pasensyahin nyo lang mga tiya kag tiyo nyo ha? Because we will not be forever young. Maabot ang tion, hindi na takasarang maglagaw. But captured moments are memories that time can never erase. Pero hindi ka ang among student intern supportive na iya, ginaanggulo na iya mayo mo. So aside from group pictures, syempre may solo pictures man. Ari supportive man siya po na mega. One of the reasons why 4 Lanes is becoming a go-to spot is not just the wide concrete road. It is the wide plains on both sides where families and barkadas can enjoy a quick escape. Alantawan nyo bla, pwede da ka mo kapungko-pungko, pwede da ka mo ka-istorya, ka-banding, ka-picnic, ka-picture-picture, ka-food trip, or just chill watching the sunset. And speaking of food, of course, madamo gid, you'll find different nga mga paninda dire, from street food to snacks and drinks. It's like a mini food strip on the roadside. May mais, tinanok man o kung sinugba, pili lang, may ara gid nga available. Wala labot sa mais, may pancake for all ages. Lantawa, ari ang pancake. Kag-arang akon nga mega, mabakal sang pancake, tagpulo ang bilog. Mabakal gini siya kuno kay namitan siya. Kag-ara man sa tupad ang fries, fishball, and more. Kag kung may fries kag fishball, dapat may ara man nga shake. May natural fruit shake, just like sang pineapple kag paho nga nakita nyo, kag may ara man nga flavored. Kagay, so nakita ninyo nga buhi gidyang ekonomiya diri sa may 4 Lanes Isabela. No kanami man sinuno nga nakabulig man sa mga locals dire. At least they have business dire. May ara man siomay, quick. May ara man gani balot ho kag may nakitaan pag ikuto nga inasal sa unhan kagina. Ano pagid ang nami diri sa 4 Lanes? Ang nami pagid diri kay it has no entrance fee, no pressure. It is just you with your friends or with your loved ones or with your family members. It is like an instant escape from the stress and noise of everyday life. One thing we noticed and appreciated is the visible police presence. May mga police patrol nearby to make sure everyone is safe, especially during late afternoons when more people visit. It adds to the feeling of safety, especially if you're not from Isabela, kag naglagaw ka lang diri to experience 4 Lanes. Mabalik kita dito sa sulod, kag samtang nagapabalik kita dito sa orya kita na hanungod sa Isabela. Isabela is known as the Sweetheart of Negros. Isabela is one of the oldest towns in Negros Occidental and named after Queen Isabella II of Spain. Known for its Tigkalalog Festival, which is celebrated every second day of November. Isabela has 30 barangays. Isabela has a tagline which says, Vamos, Isabela, which means, let's go, Isabela. So this ends our fun-filled day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. I hope you learned something new today. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Until next time, bye!